The newest AI business is not writing code, it is deleting it. Slopfix says companies bring them working apps that became hard to change. The demo runs. Then one feature breaks two others. Their pitch: give us the repo, and we cut it down. 1 week. 3 engineers. $10,000 if they hit. First, they document every screen and endpoint. Only then does the cutting start. Duplicate logic becomes one module. The smallest change can be the win. Hand-built systems become boring libraries, less clever, more durable. They use AI agents too, but on a short leash. The agent suggests. The engineer decides. That is the twist. Cleanup crews for AI coding. AI made software cheap to create, not maintain. At small scale, the mess feels invisible. At company scale, shortcuts become a tax. Even agents pay, spending more context on the same product. More code means more noise. The new value is not output, it is subtraction. Keep the behavior, remove the bulk, then leave guardrails to slow the bloat. Cleanup must survive the next prompt. This is bigger than one consultancy. AI coding has entered its maintenance phase. The question is not whether AI builds version 1, it is who owns versions 2, 3, and 10. That handoff is where the bill arrives. Because in software, deletion is not failure. Sometimes deletion is the product. Calm code is worth paying for. The signal is simple. That may be the next real AI business.